Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Wagner.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Pacific Ocean here at Davenport. And we're out on the beautiful Ducati V4 S and the beautiful Bmw S1000 R. And we are with some famous people. That's the infamous Doug Davis. We got Tom over here. A couple other people are riding with us. We're going to be heading up to Bonnie Doon. We're going to take it a little easy because there's been a police activity today. They are cracking down on the beach goers. So we're going to head up the mountain into Bonnie Doon, but he's carrying his gas. You see it all. All right, you ready, babe?
Yep.
All right, well, this is your guys' first start of the Ducati with the new party maker. The new exhaust has been installed. This is the aero system, and it is, yep, it's been pretty amazing. I love it, I love it. It's noisy, but it sounds just, whew, just amazing. So we'll get up here, crack you guys open a little bit. And there's our little buddy Doug Davis on his brand new BMW 1250 with the shift cam technology. So the exhaust is installed and I love it. If you guys haven't seen the exhaust video, we'll link it up above. It was easy. It was easy to get on once I got the old exhaust off. So I was being a little extra careful getting that old one off. But if you guys are interested in the aero exhaust on the Streetfighter or in the Panigale, because really it's the same thing, there is the video, so you can take a look at that. We're going to be heading away from the ocean. It's a beautiful day today. I think we're about 70. You just see all kinds of stuff today. All right, let's get going. Let's see what this Streetfighter is all about. Doug is ahead of us, showing us the road. Now, these are Doug's mountains, so I used to ride like that up here, but it's been a little while since I've been up here, so gotta get a little back into place. And so right off the bat, I can tell you my issue with suspension right there. There we go. There we go. I had it in street mode. So now we're in race mode. Back there, the suspension feeling a little different. A little loosey-goosey. So we used to ride up in these mountains every weekend. Me and Doug. We used to call these the Alice's Epic Rides. Now, if you guys are familiar with my other channel, I don't post much over there, but it's Henderson. Take a look. I'll put it down in the description or comment it down for you guys to see my other channel. If you guys are interested in some of these old rides that we used to do up here. Woo! Trying to get up with Dougie, but rear end seems a little bouncy. Try to switch down into sport mode. See if I can get that suspension a little bit better in the rear. Now Dave Moss just set this up, so it's kind of our first go with this suspension. Seems a little better. Well, there's me me and Doug. Let's wait for these guys. So still trying to kind of get in with this thing, and that we are on the fixed suspension over here on the sport mode. So it's nice that it was kind of remembered to go back there. So we'll wait. Gather. We got a large group today, so it's Tom's right behind us. And I see the tutu, so I think that's our cue to go. Yeah, so the bike, you know, coming down here, just again, a little adjustments. Now, I come from the Bmw S1000 RR, so, you know, going into a barred bike has kind of been a little bit different for me. So it's a little bit of an adjustment, just understanding, you know, kind of the ability of the bars and the ergonomics of it. I'm a little bit more upright. I'm not quite as raced over, so you speak. But I love it, man. I absolutely love it. You know, it kind of pulls through all the gears really well. You know, sometimes I get into a higher gear and the lower revs, and the torque really kind of pulls you out of it. So I got a little spot just past the school up here on the right, and that's kind of my little, I really love this spot up here. But we got more stuff going on with this. Exhaust, obviously. I've got some stuff coming from Manny over at Moto Million. Dave Moss was over and helped me out with the suspension, so we're kind of first on the suspension, so we're kind of getting that together. We're kind of working that out a little bit together. But yeah, I'm really enjoying the bike, guys. Got 450 miles finally on it, and we've got it on the dyno, so we've got a 183.5 horsepower, 184, and exhaust. The Servo Buddy is on. The Servo Buddy did fix the issue with the check engine light, so that's very nice. It's not tuned yet because UpMap has not going to be able to get us tunes until maybe June, July. So we're going to kind of wait and see how that ends up, but all right, guys. All right. Well, that's our little run up Bonnie Dune. We'll get a couple people that stuck with us. Woo, baby. Wagner's here. How's the suspension feeling?
It's really good. It's like it turns in so much faster, so like I have to relearn it a little.
Yeah. Dave Moss put a hand on that. I'm going through race mode. The back was kind of moving around, so a lot going on there. It's better in the road mode, actually. Okay. So yeah,
it's probably too bumpy.
It is a little bit. So, all right, guys, well, we're going to end it here. We're heading back up Highway 9. We'll probably see another video today. Let's go over and say hi to Doug Davis. What's up, Doug Davis?
I waited for your partner back there.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I didn't know if he had been on this before.
He'll figure it out.
2020. It comes in blue, red, silver, and wire wheels.
The wire wheels are a nice touch for you, brother. All right, you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and of course, comment down below. We're very active in the comment section. Oh, sorry. All right, guys, we'll see you next video.
Bye-bye.